Don't just pause, listen. Quick question. Are you really listening to people, or are you just waiting for your turn to speak? As leaders, we often think we're good listeners, but in reality, we're usually not. We're just pausing in conversations. We're gearing up for our turn to jump back in. So let's talk about active listening, because I think it's a game-changing skill for leadership. Epictetus, a Greek Stoic philosopher, once said, "We have 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we can listen twice as much as we speak." That's ancient wisdom, and it's still spot on. Leadership isn't just about expressing your own ideas. It's about understanding others. That's what builds trust. That's what fuels collaboration and helps people feel seen and heard. Psychologists Carl Rogers and Richard Farson coined the term active listening. Rogers believed that real listening enables positive change, not just in the speaker, but in the listener, in you. It's not about nodding along, paraphrasing. It's about showing empathy, being fully present, and being open to being changed by what you hear. How do you know if somebody's really listening to you? Their eyes are on you, their body language is saying, "I'm here," and they give you space to talk. They reflect back what they heard. What I heard you saying is, and then, did I get that right? If you remember those 2 things, wow, people are really going to feel like they're listened to. That's the kind of listening that makes you feel safe, seen, and valued. One of my heroes is the actor and writer Alan Alda, and he once said, "Real listening is a willingness to let the other person change you." Not just hearing, but being moved. That's where transformation happens, in leadership and in our relationships. When you actively listen, you pick up on what's really going on. You ask better questions. You offer better support. And our responses carry more weight because people know you actually heard them. It's one of the simplest, most powerful ways to set others up for success. Now, like any skill, active listening takes practice. It's not our default setting, but it can become your superpower. Really listening to others is a powerful expression of what we call ultra leadership. So here's your challenge. What's one way you could become a better listener starting today? If you like this, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, become part of the community. Let's all get better together.